friends, I'm going to discuss with you a different something. This video is different something for you. So I'm going to discuss today about happiness. Happiness, if we feel happy, most of the time we don't feel embarrassed, we don't feel disappointed, we don't feel just like a stressful, we don't feel negativity, we feel like to positive method, positive environment, and positive at all company. We would like to a happy life, and we would like to laugh with our family members as well as our friends. We would like to express our thought easily, appropriately, and with good method and in proper manner as well. So everyone has different type of mindset. We know how can we define our life and how can we express our thought with someone. So all person they have a specific desire, specific idea, so they can observe. Face any obstacles in our life also, it is a full of difficulties. We can't find anything easily and with good way. Any few people they are suffering from uh, unemployment, and they can't get job properly. And any few people, several type of people, they are able to find out job every single day. They try, and any several type of people, they do preparation any government exam and they can't crack after some time. So unfortunately they try over and over again, but they can't get um, means success instantly, immediately, and initially. This is the also best method. If we are giving our offer up, we are giving our effort 100%, but according to our result, according to our expectation or praise, we can't. This is also very sad way, this is also very bad way. So we must realize we can't think much more about ourselves if we try over and over again. So it's depend only sometimes our luck, sometimes our fortune, sometimes our future, as well as we can take any we can shape, we can take some shape or present life. Then after a few days, after few minutes, we can see result good way with good method. We must not defeat inner life. I must also think about myself. Sometimes I have defeated, I can't do anything, but after few time we must give our time, then we will see our future. Because if we have bow any seeds, it's like it may be capsicum, uh, it may be pea, it may be garlic, anything. If we have bow somewhere on the land, in the earth, so inside the earth we can't get a result immediately and instantly and only within few minutes. It takes time. So success also, it takes time, we can't get anything. So happiness, it's depend only on good time. If we are happy, we have proper money, we are not suffering any obstacles, we are most of the time we laugh with our friends, with our family members, inside our home as well as outside. Somewhere there is no matter, but we can't facing any difficulties. And except of this and besides of this, we don't know, we can realize some expectation. We don't depend on others and with somewhere. So we must be realize, if we are happy, we must be do happy, we must not be disappointed and disappear and any obstacles. This is not negativity. We must be optimistic. We must not go pessimistic way. It is best idea and it is best method for live in this earth. Because we have this tradition in this society, in this culture, in this universe. All people they feel like to very fine, very good way, and they are very good person in their life. So it's depend how can we live in this earth. We should be happy in all situation. There is no matter we see some after 12 hours we see just like night darkness, and after 12 hours and 10 hours we see light in the daytime. Next day we will see everywhere in outside as well as external internal body. It gives us any good instructions, good command, because it is process of in this society. And God gives us this chance, so we must be realize all those era, all those environment. This is the best method for learn any new something. And after night, after darkness we see light, just like morning, and next day we see some bright day, bright sunny day. There is a there is a uh, hot day, and so we must not think about it. Sometimes we face any difficulties, any challenge in our life. This is the also part of our life. We must not afraid towards on our unsucceed, towards on our failure. So this is the also part of our life. We must be realized all this situation, these ideas. This is the also circumstances we face. So this all obstacles, it's our human tendency. We must be realized. And after few days, after some days, just like for example we are suffering from any disease, so this is the also after some time it will be recover automatically. And consequently, as far as I concerned, it happens of everyone and everywhere. So we must be realize, we should be hopeful. We should be not, we should not go pessimistic way, wrong path. This is not good way for giving, for live in this land. So all universe members they feel like to very good way. They feel like to hopeful and optimistic person. So they would like to express their thought with good way, with proper method. So we must be realized, we should be hopeful. We should not go pessimistic way. This is not best method for live in this earth. So everyone has any different type of mindset, different type of ideas. So we must be realized, we must not go anywhere and with someone. We should have good company and good environment, good entertainment. We must be laugh. It may be we are suffering any bad situation, good situation. We must not think, we must be laugh everywhere. And uh, our face should be flourishing, so everyone can observe all these things, and everyone has been noticed all these ideas. So we must be realized, if we are spending our time with someone, maybe those are person not good for our company, for our this habit, that habit. We should be careful. We should be go any good way and with proper method. We can realize, and we can also understand with proper method. So thank you guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it.